Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 3D wooden puzzle clock is probably one of the most satisfying and rewarding crafts you can find. These intricate wooden puzzles not only provide a fantastic building experience, but also result in a beautiful and functional clock. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, the 3D wooden puzzle clock offers a unique blend of challenge and creativity, making it a perfect addition to any home. Number 5. UGEARS Aero Clock, Mechanical 3D Wooden Puzzle. This UGEARS clock kit features 320 detailed wooden parts. It offers a challenging and rewarding assembly experience. Building this kit is a great way to test your skills. The 3D puzzle uses a gravity-powered system. A descending weight bag turns the gears, moving the pendulum and rotating the hour and minute discs. It's fascinating to watch it work. No tools or glue are needed to assemble this brain teaser. The pieces fit together seamlessly for a smooth building experience. You'll enjoy putting it together. This craft kit is an excellent project for families. It's a great way to enjoy time together and create lasting memories. It's perfect for hobbies for both men and women. This UGEARS craft kit is an ideal gift for puzzle lovers. It's perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or Father's Day. It provides both entertainment and a sense of accomplishment for the recipient. What we like. This clock boasts an intricate design with 320 detailed parts, offering a challenging and rewarding build. Its unique gravity-powered mechanism adds a fascinating element, making it a conversation starter. If you're looking for a project to enjoy with your family, this is perfect. It's a great way to create lasting memories while building something beautiful and functional. What people say. The clock is a beautiful piece of art. The gears all work together. It is a fun project to assemble. Number 4. ROKR Zodiac Wall Clock 3D Wooden Puzzle. This wooden clock kit offers a unique assembly experience, bringing a touch of retro style to your space. It features low noise and accurate timekeeping, with the added functionality of setting the date on the dial. It's one of ROKR's most cost-effective wooden puzzles for adults. This mechanical wall clock is not only practical but also a collector's item. It blends European classical style with Zodiac elements. The special steampunk style and intricate details provide a captivating visual experience. Spend less time building and enjoy more. We've improved the assembly process, so this Zodiac wall clock can be built in about 1.5 hours. Then you can get a nice home decor with richer details. The kit includes a detailed, step-by-step instruction booklet. It's designed to be easy to follow, making it suitable for clock and 3D puzzle enthusiasts of all skill levels. ROKR 3D wooden puzzles come in beautiful packages, making them great gifts for older kids and adults. This wood model kit is a wonderful holiday or birthday gift for both women and men of all ages. The package includes all the necessary tools, metal components, and adhesive hooks. You only need to prepare one AAA battery. If you have any issues, such as needing replacement parts, simply contact us, and we'll respond within 12 hours. What we like. This clock blends a steampunk aesthetic with Zodiac elements, making it a unique decor piece. It's designed for easy assembly, taking only about 1.5 hours to build. If you appreciate a touch of retro style and want a clock that's both visually appealing and easy to assemble, consider this one. It's a great gift for those who enjoy a bit of artistry in their home. What people say. The materials are high quality, with sturdy wood pieces that fit together seamlessly, ensuring durability and longevity. The assembly process is both fun and challenging, making it a great activity for adults who enjoy hands-on tasks. The detailed instructions provided guide you through each step, although some prior puzzle experience may be helpful for beginners. Number 3. Funpola LED Tower Clock, LED, TC01 Wood. This unique 3D wood puzzle clock offers a calming and joyful building experience for both kids and adults. It features a steampunk-style tower design and is a fun way to create a decorative LED clock. The clock comes with a LED light set and a remote controller. You can switch between 16 colors and various lighting modes. Setting up the LED lights is a unique and interesting experience. The assembly parts are precisely laser-cut with smooth edges. Simply pop out the wood pieces and assemble them. No glue or tools are required, and clear instructions are included. All pieces are made from durable 3-ply wood with a smooth surface and edge finish. It's a high-quality and delicate product, ensuring it looks great when finished. Once completed, this 3D puzzle becomes a wonderful home ornament. It's perfect for display on a bookshelf or desktop. It's a joyful, useful, and beautiful addition to any space. What we like. This clock features a cool LED light set with multiple color options, adding a modern touch. It's easy to assemble, with no tools or glue required. If you want a unique and decorative clock that's also a fun building project, this is a great choice. It's perfect for adding a touch of personality to any room. What people say. The instructions were easy, the wood finish is nice, and the LEDs really add to the overall look. The clock works. Easy to follow instructions. Number 2. OWNONE Wooden 3D Puzzle Clock Model Kit. This wooden 3D puzzle is fun for the whole family. Once assembled, it transforms into a fully functional desk clock and a beautiful piece of craft. The pieces fit together perfectly, requiring no tools or glue. The clever design and laser cutting technology make assembly easy, and instructions with photos are included. Looking for a great gift? This DIY kit is a perfect choice. It enhances family communication, develops intelligence, and allows you to enjoy the artwork you create. Made with eco-friendly materials and exquisite cutting technology, this puzzle is safe to assemble. The biomimetic wooden pattern adds a touch of elegance to each piece. This clock is powered by a single AA battery, which is not included. Get ready to enjoy this unique and practical creation. What we like. This clock is both fun to build and practical as a desk clock. It's easily assembled with no tools or glue needed. If you're looking for a great gift that enhances family communication and provides a sense of accomplishment, this is a perfect choice. It's a wonderful way to enjoy a creative project. What people say. This was fun to assemble, and it looks great. Also, the second moves smoothly, not jumping each second, which really adds to the old-fashioned handmade appearance. The parts of this clock are laser cut. Number 1. Funpola LED Wood Puzzle Clock Tower, LED, WTC02. This 3D puzzle is more than just a building project, it's a beautiful home decoration. With its intricate design and LED lights, it will surely be an eye-catching showpiece. It's both impressive and useful. Made from high-quality plywood, this model feels premium. The smooth surface and edges give it a delicate finish. You will be impressed by its quality. Featuring an adjustable LED light belt with 48 yellow lights, this clock glows beautifully. It lights up your room once it's finished. You will need to provide an AA battery. With 64 pieces and a medium difficulty level, it takes about 2 to 3 hours to assemble. It's suitable for ages 10 and up. Spare parts and clear instructions are included. This Funpola 3D LED puzzle offers a joyful building experience and a stunning home decor item. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with a 90-day money-back offer. It is a great gift. What we like. This clock is designed to be an impressive and useful home decor piece. It's made with high-quality plywood and features an LED light belt for a beautiful glow. If you want a fun and challenging 3D DIY experience that results in a stunning desktop ornament, you should consider this one. It's a great way to add a touch of elegance to your space. What people say. It was easy, fun, and so beautiful with the light on. The instructions are somewhat simple, but easy to follow. Excellent detail, pieces fit together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.